GM guys, how are you doing today? Hope you're doing well. Hayden speaking here, and let's dive into the market. Market is looking better today, so we'll talk a little bit today about what's expected for the future. What can crypto and Bitcoin do in the next month or two? We will go over the current narratives on chain and base and AI, guys. That's really hot. So let's dive in. As we can see here on the screen, the market and across the board has been showing better performance with some nice bumps. Pippin, for example, is getting crimed by the Chinese cabal. Still, I think it's 700 market cap currently, 700 million market cap, which is something crazy, right? Heavy supply control and insider pumping, but well, crime is legal, guys, in crypto. So that's how things are looking. 72% on the weekly. Nice pump yesterday from Bitcoin. That's the daily chart we're looking at now. Is pump from 64k up to 69k, which is very solid with decent volume as well. There has been news about Jane Street, which has been manipulating crypto by shorting heavily and manipulating gold and silver by longing heavily. So this might have an impact. They have been sued by Terraform Labs. For those who have been in crypto a bit longer, you would remember Terra Luna. Luna with a massive crash, a big token, big project. People lost millions on it because of their stable coin USD, which was pegged to Luna, and that also went to zero. So either if you were holding USD or Luna, it crashed. So Jane Street, the big hedge fund, they were manipulating that as well, and they caused the crash. So they were accused for, among others, they were accused of insider trading on that. So for Bitcoin, for crypto, going quickly, expecting some action, but the best is ahead. So here 74k still possible to be retested. We had some nice volume, double bottom. Let's say it's forming here, and maybe we can possibly push forward and go through, and then a possible rejection. So let's observe the next weeks. March is expected still to be bullish for altcoins. And which altcoins? Join me in the next chapter to figure out. Base, guys. Base is really hot. Many gems have spawned, and this is the banker meta right now, banker narrative, where people could deploy tokens and give creator rewards to other people, right? So what happened is that big devs, right, out of the Web 2 space, they were Web 3 space, they were building some AI agents or AI tech, um, and people created coins for them, tokens, and this was based on endorsement. So they were endorsing the coin and they were saying thank you very much, and now I will accept these fees. They were claiming the fees because the token generates fees from volume, and thanks to that they would become, let's say, an owner of the token as well, because well, they took the fees, so they should take the ownership for the project, the token, and then they would connect their project to the token. So one of the examples, most of the runners now are related to this. One example is SAIRI, which so just saying, guys, if you're not in my X or Telegram, you should be there, because I drop YouTube videos from time to time, but I'm very active now on X and Telegram, where I share these gems. So for example, SAIRI, the dev is massive, as you can see here. This is actually the project website, but the dev himself, 146,000 followers. Even look, he's a director of these companies. He got like 67 million in cash in the bank. He's connected to Vitalik. People are very hyped about that. So I would be looking into it and into these guys. SAIRI was actually got cheated. As you can see, it consolidated around 200 to 300k area. Many people got impatient, but well, the dev has been cooking and he hasn't given up on the project. So because of his skills and competencies, things are looking going into place. And well, here at 1.2 million, I'm not advising anyone because the chart, as you see, is pumped. But this is what has been happening. Similar case with FELIX, an AI agent, which actually also the dev endorsed the token, and this AI agent is generating revenue. So it's an autonomous agent which sells products, digital products online, and generates revenue through his work. So he just comes up with new ideas how and scales the business. So it's a working autonomous economical actor right now. So 4.6 million with 6 million all-time high. As you see, the chart was getting a little bit sold off, while people with conviction printed heavily. Okay, so let's say what's next. What other gems can yet to pump? So here for EDEL guys, something to look into. I think I shared it in the previous videos or a couple before. Well, here it had a massive run up right from the launch, then there was some FUD and it got cheated, and now it was just in a heavy downtrend. Now they're trying to break it through. So some cabals, some KOLs are loading up on EDEL. It's a 14.5 million FDV, so it's not a small size play. 8.3 million circulating market cap. I think it has a little more gas in the tank. Once it breaks out, it can move. Probably safe to say, let's say, to the 20 million area where you could potentially TP. But yeah, a friend told me that big guys are buying. So let's see how this plays out with base season. Another one which I shared also in my Telegram. So SAIRI, the guy SAIRI Santi, sorry, which I shared this dev. As you see, he's pretty big. He deployed a token through Banker through his friend Mariano. So this guy is also pretty big. He's the founder of this Num Finance. He's the founder of W3G and growth in Sky ecosystem. So pretty busy guy and all, pretty busy and pretty focused on delivering. As you see, he has a banner here with Ethereum, so he seems to be. He's also based on a stable coin expert. He's a expert on stable coins. So SAIRI delivered something for him. He dropped in 24 February, updates soon, so everyone is waiting. And this token kind of got forgotten. It got sold off here to 130k. The guy has been pretty silent, well, but he's a massive dude and probably he doesn't have so much time to engage with everyone, and he's probably cooking. Once he cooks, things gonna pop off. So this is the token stable specialist with SAIRI himself deployed for the guy. The ticker is stable, and well, if the guy delivers anything, updates the screener and says, okay, let's cook, here's the MVP, you can expect a massive pump, right? Even like 1 million, like we saw with SAIRI. Probably this, like, people are buying this because they're seeing SAIRI pump. But well, a reasonable level would be even 2x from here, right, in the short term. But then this can retrace because degens are impatient. So maybe not to these levels, but well, anywhere it would be a buy with always risk reward. You have to have a stop loss thing. Don't hold it to zero. The meta can change. So the next token is this one. I also shared it a little bit lower, but was keeping it low key because no one actually knew what's this about. So it's also an AI agent, kind of like started with FELIX, as you saw on the 6 million market cap. This is the guy, the AI agent, and his goal was to make $750 for this AI mini, which he did, and he already made this amount of money. And then they're showing that there's chapter 2 soon, right? Chapter 2 is coming soon, and this is most likely something related to the token. Okay, and this guy made a thread here. Why am I not claiming fees and taking ownership? Here's why I'm not doing that yet. And he gave a thread So people actually, he gave his thoughts that he would do it, but once the MVP is confirmed, that he can earn the money. And now he earned the money. So well, if he finally, people are expecting him to take ownership and show what the agent can do. If it earned like whatever $900 in 7 days, it's pretty decent from scratch. And remember, these agents, they learn, they just develop, they get smart when they scale. So yeah, even here for 2x, but truly I think that the hype can get bigger once the guy delivers maybe a plan. What will the agent be doing, how it will be related to the token. You can aim higher, right, with these things. On X, guys, so you want to be checking my X if you're trading or if you're looking for some gems. I've been sharing some good plays here which have been pumping and did pump. So make sure to drop a follow and put notifications on. Here I gave, for example, a good update and many runners. I shared SAIRI here at 300k. So, well, it's a shared pay on here before Microsoft shilled about them. So, Peon Percos I shared at 200. I dropped the banger thread. So Percos also a good gem to look into. Okay, bros. So that will be it for today. Manage your risk properly. We aren't out of the woods yet, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.